we have another surprise for you. Are you guys ready for the next one? Okay? We're gonna see you guys a song. Okay, alright, still more guys are ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Make sure you guys will sing along tomorrow during the concert, okay? Alright, so are we ready for the high five session? Before you come on stage, I have to demo. You're not allowed to touch the chest. No! Or the arms. No! You can only do the high five. Okay? Okay, are we ready? No photography on stage, okay? Keep all your cameras, keep all your phones before you come on stage. Okay? Alright, can we have the first person come on stage? Yes, are we ready? Okay, if I'm present, yes, please come on stage. Yep, high five! Put your hands up. High five, high five, high five. High five, high five, high five. Yeah, your hands, your hands. Keep your hands up, keep your hands up. Yes, 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 that's nice. Yes, you can use your eyes to communicate. You can spread your love to take your mic into his eyes. Let him know that you love him so much. Not to forget the other members. Yes, yes, yes. Please keep all your cameras in the back.